Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact in Salesforce. This is a fundamental task that allows you to store and manage information about the people you do business with, whether they're customers, partners, or leads. Let's get started. First, you'll want to click on the app launcher, which is represented by a waffle icon with 9 dots. You'll find this icon in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. Clicking on it will open up a menu that gives you access to all the different apps and features available in your Salesforce instance. This is essentially your gateway to navigating around the platform efficiently. Once the app launcher is open, look for the search box at the top, type contacts into this search box, and you'll see the contacts app appear in the results below. Go ahead and select it. This action will take you directly to the contacts interface where you can view all your existing contacts and create new ones. This centralized view makes it easy to manage your relationships and keep track of important information. Now that you're in the contacts section, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled New. Click on this button to start creating a fresh contact record. This is where you'll input all the relevant details about the person you're adding to your system. You'll now see a form with several fields that you can fill out. The most important ones are marked as required, so let's tackle those first. In the first name field, type the person's first name. For example, you could enter Daisy, then move to the last name field and enter their last name, such as Do. These two fields are mandatory, so make sure you complete them before moving forward. Without this basic information, Salesforce won't allow you to save the contact. While you're on this form, you'll also notice an optional field called Account Name. This is a lookup field that lets you associate the contact with an existing company or account in your system. If the person works for a company that's already in Salesforce, you can start typing the account name and select it from the drop-down list that appears. Alternatively, if you need to create a new account, you can do that directly from this lookup field as well. This step helps you organize your contacts by linking them to the appropriate business entities, making your data more structured and useful. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and any optional details you want to include, it's time to finalize the creation of your contact. Look for the Save button, typically located at the bottom or top of the form, and click it. Salesforce will process your input and create the new contact record. You'll then be redirected to the contacts detail page, where you can view all the information you just entered and add more details if needed. And there you have it, you've successfully created a contact in Salesforce, allowing you to keep track of important relationships and information in one organized place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.